Hello everyone, today on Meals by Mary we're finally making one of the most loved salads in the world, chicken Caesar salad, with crispy chicken, golden croutons, and creamy homemade dressing. Trust me, it's way easier than you think. No anchovies, no raw eggs, so let's start. Take one chicken breast. Mine is a bit thick, so I'm slicing it in half, then cutting it into bite-sized cubes. We're starting with the chicken first since it needs time to chill in the fridge. Now add it to a bowl. For the marinade, we're going to need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic, a sprinkle of oregano, basil, salt, and pepper. This is my favorite seasoning. Give it a good mix, cover it with a plastic wrap, and pop it in the fridge to marinate. It's going to take from 30 minutes up to 1 hour. While the chicken chills, let's make our croutons. I'm using toast to keep this recipe simple and budget friendly, but feel free to use baguette or ciabatta if you have it. Cut the toast into cubes about the same size as the chicken for easy eating. Drizzle with olive oil and season with oregano, basil, garlic powder, and onion powder. Give it a good mix. We want each piece to have all the seasons. Now toss them into the air fryer or oven. We just want that golden brown crunch. It should take about 10 minutes. Now onto the dressing. I'm using a blender to make it quick and creamy. Add mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, vinegar, olive oil, garlic, salt and pepper, and lastly a generous amount of Parmesan cheese. Make sure to use the block Parmesan and not the pre-grated kind. It makes a lot of a difference. Blend everything until smooth. Just look how creamy and delicious that looks. I gave it a taste test and it is perfect. Cover and refrigerate until ready to use. At this point, I took the croutons out of the air fryer. Now let's cook our chicken. Take the chicken out of the fridge and add it to a hot pan. No need for extra oil since we already used some in the marinade. Cook for about 15 minutes or until it's golden brown and fully cooked. Just keep the chicken as is, no need to keep stirring it. Just flip them on the other side once they are cooked to get that beautiful golden brown color on the other side. Time to build our Caesar salad. I'm using romaine lettuce. It is crisp and holds the dressing better than iceberg. Wash it really well and dry it thoroughly. I'm using a clean cloth for this. You don't want a watery or soggy salad, so make sure it's nice and dry. Now roughly chop your lettuce. In a large bowl, layer half of the lettuce, add your dressing to it and mix it really well. To that, add half of your croutons and chicken. Then repeat with the rest of the lettuce and the rest of the croutons, chicken, and dressing. Then top it with extra Parmesan cheese because why not? I like layering that way to make sure every bite has chicken, lettuce, croutons, and a bite of everything, not just the top. And that is it. This creamy chicken Caesar salad is one of my absolute favorites. I could honestly eat the whole thing. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a like and comment down below if you would like to see a healthy version of Caesar salad. We have a version that is just as delicious. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.